The word is telling us, listen, the reason why you find yourself too heavy, weighed down, is because you don't know what lies ahead. The reason why you find yourself in a sinful situation, it is because you become discouraged. The reason why people sin, the reason why people find themselves in terrible situations, it is because they have given up hope. That's the reason. And so if you find a drug addict, if you find a drunkard, if you find a womanizer, if you find a manizer, why should there be only a womanizer? There are also manizers. If you find a manizer, understand this. These are people who have given up hope. Feel with them. It is not that they are willing to do what they are doing. No, it is just because they have given up in their lives. And because of that, they just say, let me do anyway, anything that I find on my way, because I have nothing to live for. I have nothing to stand for. But when you know what you stand for, when you know what you are looking forward to, you are going to have strength to stand. You are going to have strength to hold on and be disciplined in life because you know what lies ahead. Jesus, the perfecter of our faith, the founder of our faith, is the one we have to look up to. We have to look up to him. Look at what he went through. Look at the shame he endured, because he knew what he was doing. He knew where he was going. He knew he was going to achieve our own salvation. He knew he was going back to his dad. And so he was able to go through everything and anything without giving up. So don't give up. Don't give up on your faith. I know you have given up on your faith. That is why you have found yourself a drunkard. I know you have given up on your faith. That is why you find yourself in drugs. I know you have given up on your faith. That's why you find yourself in cheating. That is why you find yourself in corruption. That is why you find yourself in all sorts of evil. I know you can change. I know you can become better. You can restore your hope. You can restore your confidence. Just cling to the perfecter of our faith, Jesus Christ himself.